What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Down at Max's shop that he rents out. Say hi to Max.
Hello.
He's putting together this new toolbox that he got at Harbor Freight, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty darn good. I'm really hoping this is... Camera's giving me a little bit of a funny feeling. I'm hoping this is filming right. So today, I've got some fun, exciting news. The Delsol is getting another modification, and it is the OEM spoiler. So I've been looking for one of these for a while. They are pretty tough to come by, and this one doesn't even have all the hardware, so I had to go out and get more hardware for it. So this is just, I'm trying to line it up right now. I want to make sure that I do this video right, because there's not much out there for installs on spoilers like this, and they make an aftermarket one, but I figured if I'm gonna do it, I might as well get the OEM one so I know it fits right. And that's what I went with. So I'm gonna kind of give like an actual walkthrough on how to install this spoiler. To me, I think this would work pretty much on any car, especially if you don't have stencils like I don't. So I'm hoping it comes out pretty good. I'm hoping that it's informal enough. If you guys have any questions, you know, definitely leave them down in the comments. I'll do what I can to answer them. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of jump right into it, and I'm a little nervous because I'm putting holes in the trunk, but we'll get through it. We'll do it. All right, so upon further observation, we noticed something, that the trunk here there's all this crap going on down here. So basically what Honda did was they allowed for, as you can see up here, this little circle, and there's another one up top. And that's exactly where the spoiler needs to go. So we're not gonna wind up taping any of it. We're just going to basically drill into those, find the center of those holes, drill into those, and then we're going to put the spoiler through. So I'll try to film a lot of that just to give you an idea of like where to go and stuff like that, what we do with it, but that's the game plan now. All right, so I'm going to get started drilling here. Got Max on the camera, and yeah, let's see how this ends up going.
Should hole punch that.
You think so?
Yeah.
You have the hole punch?
We got something that'll work here.
Yeah, let's try that.
I mean, that's pretty fucking on the center. I don't think you're gonna notice 1 millimeter, are you?
Probably. I mean, if it's pretty much right there. Let me see that.
Yeah, you should be good. You can't hit it harder than that, otherwise you might put a dent in it. But as long as there's a spot.
That looks... So we'll just drill that one first and then go from there?
Yeah.
I didn't know if you're gonna do the top one first. All right, we'll do that.
Did you measure them this way?
No.
You should make sure that it's actually... Is those, what? Just the distance from hole to hole. Yeah, 16.5 center line to center line.
So you think where you put it is pretty much in the center?
Yeah, if you do the center of the holes, you should be right on the money.
All right, so we'll just do, let me drill that one first. A little light under there, please. It's kind of tough to see. It's weird. I'm not gonna do this right.
Easy peasy. You're right on the money, right?
Am I?
Yeah, look at the back two, they both have. Yeah. Perfect distance.
It's not, it looks a little crooked.
Well, don't forget it's leaning because the front isn't it?
Well, if I even line up.
Now really, you could leave it like that and just use the Sharpie and draw a circle around where you need to drill for the front.
That probably is the best move.
2.5 pretty much to the... Oh, that's just about perfect. 2.5 to the curve, to the center line of the curve.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I think you're right on the mark.
I guess I'm more talented than I thought I was. I should open up a body shop. Dude, just Delsol spoilers. All right, well, I guess, yeah, so what we'll do is we'll just, if that's fine, what I'll do is I'll take the, hold this. Oh, well, actually, yeah, that's probably just as fine. I'll do, that's where it goes, so I'll do a little mark. And that's probably just kind of drill right. Actually, to be fair, he's even kind of left a little bit of an indent. So I guess.
Well, you got the radius, so you can probably just wing.
I was just going to drill right in the center of that radius.
Yeah.
On each side.
Yeah, as long as you can see where the radius is, you can get the drill in the center. You'll be fine.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'll do that. I left the drill in the trunk.
About to risk it all.
I hate this.
Get up in there.
I just don't want it to be too low, you know?
Don't do that. Don't force it.
Nope. Let's
Just give it a little twist out.
gotta flip it the other way.
There you go.
Trying to just figure out how to do this without it twisting right into the.
Push it all the way into the smooth part, turn it on, and then back it out.
I flipped that. Why is it? Come on.
Amazing.
You get in there. Save the day on this one.
Have a good day.
Is that all the way through the bottom?
No.
No, I mean like through the.
Through the hole?
Yeah, is it through? Oops, just your screwdriver. No, we gotta go a little further.
Wait, what? Oh, there's two. Is this 2-layer up there?
I think. What? Is it?
Oh, wait. Is it supposed to go back?
No. What the?
Why would it go that far back?
All right. So I guess we shall see. Crap, I'm gonna strip those.
Looks a little tight on the left side. Oh, she'll go in there. Yeah.
This really isn't going in too easily. I don't want to strip these screws either.
As long as they're part way in, you can use the nuts to cinch them down. You know? That can pull it into the bodywork without denting it. You get a nut on the other side. Should be all it needs. Shouldn't need much.
There we go.
That do it?
Well, sort of. This side's good.
I can do that other side a little more.
Jesus.
Yeah, let me do it again. The other side's good, we'll leave it.
All right, so we're in the process of putting the rest of the spoiler on. I'll be honest with you, your boy messed up. Drilled in the wrong spot, and it left a nice little hole right there. Because when we were initially starting it, we had the idea that, okay, if we do the section that's closest to the front of the car, the section that's closest to the back of the car, so the top part, that would be the way to do it, because that's the more difficult one, so we'll do that. And we wound up, for whatever reason, doing the other spot first. So when we put the spoiler on, we thought we lined it up right. We actually lined it up one in front, which is where we're not supposed to be. So thankfully, as you can see, the trunk looks like crap. So we are going to put some caulking in there and seal it until I actually get it painted. So I'll just probably throw a little bit of spray paint on it for now. I mean, realistically, can you make this look any worse? I don't think you can. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that, and just to seal it up, because obviously there's nothing else we can do. So for right now, we're snugging it down. This part's all pretty self-explanatory. Once the holes are in, you just gotta screw the nuts on. So this is pretty easy, but yeah, once we're done with this, I'll kind of show you the final result. All right, so the spoiler is on, it's ready to go. I need to seal it up, and I need to seal up that little hole for now. So I wanna get that done today. That's pretty much, you know, I'll see if I can get any footage of that. That's mostly just kind of running a rim around it. That's not really anything too crazy. And it's kind of up to you whether or not you want to do it. I'd recommend doing it because it's going to keep any moisture, water, anything out of there, or it's going to keep it out of the trunk. So I'd probably say to do it. But to give you a shot of the spoiler, this is how it looks. Thank you to Max. And thank you to Al for going out and getting the drill from the house. But yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty good. I think that's about as good as it's going to get. As Max said, adds about 50 horsepower, you know, roughly, give or take a few. We haven't dynoed it yet, so we'll have to find out.
Hasn't been on the dyno.
Hasn't been on the dyno yet. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, I mean, it's not a particularly hard install. It's just common sense, and make sure you double check every single place that you're going to be drilling before you drill it, unlike I did, so that you don't wind up with a fifth hole that you didn't need in the first place. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. I upload videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So yeah, till next time, scooch out.